Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your gender on Talabat account. So first we're going to go to the Talabat app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the account section. Then again, you're going to click on settings on the top right corner. So once you're here, you're going to click on account info. Then click on edit. Then as you can see, you guys could choose the gender. So once you choose your preference, you're going to click on save. So as you can see, our preference has been updated successfully. So this is how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out. Then you guys could continue with ordering your food. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.